Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a couple Ellwood dump trucks. This one would be a fun one to play with. Lincoln Construction Company on the side. Tailgate still intact. A lever to dump the box. And this one has a neat feature. The scoop. Be a great sandbox toy. Take the sand from there, dump it into there, dump it out. Play for hours. Another one that's kind of cool. Older Lincoln Construction Company logo. Couple of fun trucks to play with, I'm sure. For more content like this, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see what else I can find for you.